Hi, welcome back to another video. Today, we will know something interesting about the new car and its features. Interior. The Tesla Model 3 2025 offers a sleek and modern interior that blends minimalist design with advanced technology. High-quality materials, such as premium vegan leather and sustainable trims, give the cabin a refined feel. The spacious interior provides ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, ensuring comfort on every journey. The centerpiece of the interior is the 15-inch touchscreen display, which controls nearly all aspects of the car, from navigation to entertainment. This system supports seamless smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing easy access to your favorite apps. The premium sound system delivers excellent audio quality, making every drive more enjoyable. Comfort features include heated seats, a heated steering wheel, and a panoramic glass roof that creates an airy, open feel. Exterior. The Model 3 2025 features a refreshed exterior design that is both sleek and aerodynamic. The updated front fascia with integrated LED headlights gives the car a modern and sophisticated look. Aerodynamic improvements enhance performance and increase range, making this Model 3 even more efficient. New color options, including midnight silver metallic and deep blue metallic, provide stylish choices for buyers. The redesigned alloy wheels not only enhance the car's appearance but also contribute to its improved aerodynamics. The overall design emphasizes Tesla's commitment to creating vehicles that are both visually appealing and highly functional. First look. In our video, you'll get an exclusive first look at the Tesla Model 3 2025. We'll take you on a detailed tour of its exterior and interior features, showcasing the innovative design and technology that set this set apart. From the sleek new exterior to the high-tech, minimalist interior, you'll see why this car is generating so much excitement. Review. The Tesla Model 3 2025 promises exceptional performance and efficiency. Its electric powertrain delivers instant torque and smooth acceleration, making every drive exhilarating. With an extended range and faster charging capabilities, this model ensures you can go further with fewer stops. Tesla's advanced driver assistance features, including autopilot and full self-driving capabilities, provide both convenience and safety, making every journey more relaxing. The Model 3's suspension system has been fine-tuned for a balance of comfort and handling, providing a smooth ride even on rough roads. The regenerative braking system improves efficiency and enhances driving dynamics. Whether you're commuting in the city or embarking on a long road trip, the Model 3 offers a premium driving experience. Price and release date. The Tesla Model 3 2025 is expected to start at around $40,000, making it a competitive option in the electric sedan market. The official release date is anticipated to be in early 2025, with deliveries starting shortly after. Be sure to keep an eye out for the latest updates as we get closer to the launch. Make sure to subscribe for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.